The last 48 hours in the crypto market have sucked. We've seen a lot of red, a lot of retracement. Shiba Inu obviously joined in the party. I'm not going to say that this is a good thing. You don't need to drop. It's not fun to sit and watch through drops, right? I will say though, SHIB did something incredibly important that I think a lot of people missed here. And in fact, what I want to talk about is this zone where Shiba Inu can bounce out of, because we're doing something very strong versus Ethereum. We're seeing very consistent trends for SHIB. And in fact, despite retail sentiment being such crap, SHIB is remaining pretty darn resilient. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I just have to say, people that are being overly negative or people who are trying to push your negativity on me, it ain't going to work. I can't be broken. Sorry. I've been through this way more times than you can probably imagine. We have seen these formations play out time and time and time again. Shiba Inu dropping, falling, crashing, dying, right? And then we know what comes following that. We get our moves to the upside. We get our recoveries. We get our surges, right? And here's the thing. Shiba Inu right now in this descending wedge, this is a bullish formation. For those who aren't familiar with a descending wedge, go check this out for yourself. The longer you are in these formations, the more explosive of a breakout you can have. And Shiba Inu has been in this formation for quite some time now, multiple months, right? And we just continue to fall, test the top, test the bottom. And right now, we actually had a bottom test on this, but a subsequent recovery back to our long-term support. Now, this is actually a very strong move for Shiba Inu, and I'll get to why that is in just a moment. But this dates back all the way to August 13th of 2023. This was actually during the bear market cycle before we started the bull. You guys can see that that was strong resistance for Shiba Inu back here. It has been strong support here in August, September of 2024, which is the coincidental range that we're talking about, when we refer to back here. And now Shiba Inu is once again kind of nestling in right into this zone. It doesn't mean it can't go below it. It doesn't mean we won't go lower, but it's very interesting because SHIB rebounded and sitting right in these ranges. It's one of the few to actually have a green daily candle. And it's doing that despite Ethereum having another red daily candle. Go figure. Now, Ethereum actually over the last 2 days down 13.3%. Shiba Inu currently, guys, is down 9%. So SHIB is in fact showing strength versus Ethereum. People were complaining, before that when ETH had its big day, SHIB wasn't having its big day. Well, here you have SHIB planting its foot in the ground and showing some strength versus Ethereum, and frankly versus the crypto market. That's a great sign. In fact, when we look at memes in general, memes have sucked lately, guys. I get it, right? I have several meme coins in the space. They haven't been doing well. Frankly, nothing's been doing well. But again, look at the resilience in terms of SHIB. One of the best performers over the last 24 hours. Again, it's a red day, so I'm not going to get too excited about that. One of the best performers over the last 7 days. I mean, SHIB is showing you conviction, even as the market bleeds, even as there's just this onslaught on meme coins. Shiba Inu continues to show resilience. That's a good sign. That's exactly what you want to see. Again, we continue to see buying and buying and buying. Whales, 124 billion Shiba Inu added yesterday. This trend is very, very consistent. Okay, we are showing a lot of consistency over time with Shiba Inu, and this dates back months now. So this is exactly what you want to see from an asset here. Yes, it sucks. I'm not saying we want to see prices drop, right? But what we want to see is us holding structure. We want to show resilience here so that when we try to make this move back towards the upside, we have the fuel to do it with, right? Now, that being said, what I will say is we are at the lowest point in the sentiment in the crypto market since all the way back in September of 2024. Go figure. The same time frame that we're referencing. So I'm hoping that people are starting to connect the dots here and starting to, one, realize what's going on in the crypto market. No, this isn't us entering a bear market or anything like that. It's pure manipulation, right? The Binance dumping, it's causing prices to drop. It's causing capitulation. At the same time, Bybit, it sounds like it's starting to add some of their Ethereum back. It's a freaking mess, okay? And understand that eventually it will conclude. It will work itself out, and the negative push in the market will in fact stop, right? Here's the thing. You get to a point where the discounts are so discounted that people can't help but accumulate and figure out ways to do it. That's why, anybody talking about us dropping back to 5 zeros, it's really unfortunately not in the cards. If you wanted that big of a discount, you should have bought back here I've said this since even as we were going on a drop here. I said, nope, we're not going to add another zero back. I'm saying it again. Nope, we're not going to add another zero back. We would have to have, frankly, a black swan event on top of this capitulation event in the crypto market to really send us that low. And right now, how much worse could it get, right? We just had the largest liquidation event in crypto history earlier this month. We're in a pretty large liquidation event now over the last 24 hours, $1.5 billion. We just had the largest exchange hack in crypto history just last week. How much worse could it get, right? Obviously, I'm joking. It could get a lot worse, guys. But here's the thing. What we need to see is starting to happen. And I'm hoping that this continues to be the trend as we get through the day. The market dynamics can change in an instant. I've seen a lot of people reference videos. Oh yeah, great opportunities to buy, SHIB showing strength. Yeah, guess what? Stuff can change in the crypto market when you have these events take place, when you have Binance start selling, right? These things are unexpected events that change the structure of the market. I will say right now, what we're seeing at this current time is a good spot for SHIB. All right. Me personally, this is where I'm looking at accumulating what I can. I'm pretty cash poor right now. I've accumulated so much over the last several weeks. I'm pretty comfortable with my positions, to be honest with you guys, and I hope most of you are as well. But I just wanted to share that with you. I appreciate you as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think this is where the floor is at? Do you think SHIB's going to have a nice, strong bounce from here? But have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.